Hey, Rezio users. I'm going to quickly go over our resource schedule. It'll be a quick overview. So, how you get there is you're going to be under your company overview, and then you're going to hit resources. Then you will see all of your projects. As you can see, they are color coded. That can be done in your project settings, and you can color code each project. But today we're just going to go over this overview. So, as you can see, it's done by quarter here on the left hand side, and there's a drop down menu. You can go by day and it will adjust. Or let's say you want to see the week of the 17th, it'll also do there. But let's say you want to reset this view, you just go to today on the right hand corner. Again, you can toggle by quarter by going with the arrows here. So go back to today. You also can do up here on the right above this by day and by week. And then this eye icon, which is really helpful. This is how you want to change your data. And then this is how you can also view double booking. So you just want to click that and that will go on and off. So that's the eye icon up there. And of course, you can always search. And then let's say you want to edit a task from your schedule. You can also do that here by just hovering over and then hitting edit task, and it'll bring that up and bring you back to your schedule. So let's go back. And then, this is just a quick overview. If you have any questions about anything, feel free to reach out to your customer success coach. I hope you found this helpful, and thanks so much.